In this example, we're going to go ahead and solve this system of nonlinear equations. It looks like this first equation is actually a circle, and the second equation is going to be a parabola. So we have any number of possible points of intersection. Alright, so x squared and y squared in the first one, and I have an x squared and just a y in the second one. So it looks like if I solve for this x squared in the second one, then I can go ahead and substitute that in for the x squared in my first equation. So let's see what that looks like. So I'm going to add 4 to both sides here, and x squared will equal 2y plus 4. So my first equation, which was x squared plus y squared equals 4, I can go ahead and substitute 2y plus 4 into the x squared. Well, alright, 2y plus 4 in for that x squared plus y squared equals 4. Well, it looks like those 4's will cancel because I can just subtract 4 from both sides. And when I kind of flip these terms around, so y squared plus 2y equals 0, I can factor greatest common factor of y out. And 2 factors here, a y and a y plus 2. So y equals 0 and y equals negative 2. So those will be my 2 values for y. So let's go ahead and plug them back in. And where should we plug them back in? Well, if we put them here, we have an x squared that equals those, so we'll end up having to take the square root of both sides. But notice, same thing in the first equation as well. So let's go ahead and use the second equation since the x squared at least is already isolated. So it's the x squared equals 2y plus 4. Go ahead and rewrite that down here. I'll do the y equals 0 on this side and the y equals negative 2 on this side. So x squared equals 2 times 0 plus 4. So x squared equals 4. When I do the square root of both sides, make sure you put a plus and minus along the non-perfect square side here. So the x squared, this other side gets the plus or minus. So it looks like x equals plus or minus 2 when my y value was 0. So this will yield 2 ordered pairs. And this one is y equals negative 2. So x squared equals 2 times negative 2 plus 4. So x squared equals negative 4 plus 4. X squared equals 0, which that will mean, of course, that x equals 0. So that was when y equaled negative 2. So that will give me a third ordered pair. So I have in this side positive 2, 0, along with the negative 2, 0, and right here I have a 0, negative 2. So I actually have 3 total ordered pairs that are solutions of this initial equation.